Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing AUD, JPY, and Euro USD. So before I get into the video, hit the subscribe button and let us hit our target goal of 500 subscribers. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I've already laid out all my levels on AUD, JPY. So currently we are going to focus on around this, so we're going to focus around this area right over here. So if you look closely, I can see from this point right over here, I have a beautiful trend line. I do from that point right over there. Okay, then let's cater for the upper side as well. Okay, let me use the body of the candlestick on this upper one. Yeah, you can see. So we have this beautiful pattern right over here. We have a first touch right over here, second touch, and the third touch right over here. So we're anticipating a push to the upper side due to the daily time frame, because here we have our first touch, second touch, third touch. So this is our third touch, so I'm anticipating a push from this point right over here up until right over here or here. So we'll see what's really going on. We could have this kind of movement like this before we hit the overall target. So this is what we have. Let us move to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on. Okay, so we are on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the market has been riding to the lower side from this point right over here. So let me use the line chart to show you guys. So if you look closely from this point right over here, we have been pushing to the lower side until right over here. Okay, shut it a little bit. So we have been pushing to the lower side, and as you can see from this point right over here, we did break out of this lower triangle. So now it seems like we're going to push to the upper side, and by the looks of this on the 4-hour time frame, I can see another pattern occurring right over here, but I'll just indicate it with the candlesticks. But if you look closely, we've been pushing to the lower side, and we did break out of this trend line here. As you can hear, it's first touch, second touch, third touch, and here it did break out. Say, let us move to the candlesticks so that we can determine our overall direction. Okay, so we can remove this now because we did see that the market did break out of this trend line. So from this point right over here, we have this kind of pattern occurring right over here. So we have this pattern right over here. Cater for the upper side as well. So let me zoom in a little bit. I'm making a little bit of mistakes here. So if you look closely, this is the current situation that we have. Let me use these lines. Okay, so let us move to the 1-hour time frame so we can see actually what's really going on. So by the looks of the daily time frame, we could see that the market is pushing. Let me remove this one for now, so we can have a clear chart. So let me reduce the length here. Yep. So if you look closely, we have the market has been playing around this area here and is currently creating some levels right over here. If you look closely, this level right over here until right over here. So let me indicate it. Okay, So currently, we have you could say first, second, third, fourth touch. Here we had first, second, and we did not have the third touch right over here. So currently on this market, we could anticipate a push to the lower side, touching this area here before pushing to the upper side. Or we could anticipate a movement from this area right over here to the upper side. So, but to be on the safer side, let us wait for the market to reach this touch right over here so that we could enter safely. So if we see a touch on this trend line right over here, we could see the market is pushing to the upper side. So let us move back to the daily time frame for our overall direction of the market. Like I have said, oops, I did remove this one right over here. Nearly forgot. Okay, so remember guys, we still have this line here. So currently on this one, could say, to be honest, this should be our overall entry level right over there, and this could be our overall target right over here. But you know, here's our first take profit, second take profit, first take profit, and the last take profit. So yeah, okay, so that will be all for AUD JPY. Let us move to Euro USD. Okay, so we are on Euro USD now. So remember, this is a pattern, guys, that we did have. So this has been already analyzed. Here now you're going to reach this level right over here. So the question is, are we still going to the lower side, or we are going to break to the upper side? So that will be determined by which reversal candlestick we see on the market. So let us move to the 4-hour time frame to place some of the levels there, so you can know when is the right time to enter on this trade. So by the looks of it, if you look closely around this area right over here, you could see the market has respected this area right over here. So if you let us cater for it, actually the market respected this area here. So this area is respected, also this area right over here, I think a little bit right over here. So these are the levels that I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame. Bear in mind that these levels are mostly usable on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame, as we only use the 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame, and the daily time frame. So let me remove this. Oops, made a mistake. Bear with me, guys. Okay, so currently this is what we have, and by the looks of this, you can see that the market did not touch this level right over here, and from this point right over here, it seems like a push and a retest. So it's either going to see this kind of movement a little bit of here, maybe this kind of movement before it pushes to the lower side, or we could see a movement like this, a push from this point right over here, then a retest and a push to the upper side. So this is a two-way direction. So this is going to be a bit hard. So you're going to wait for a little bit. So to be on the safer side. So on Euro USD, so the direction is not yet decided due to, so you're waiting for the market to take its action. So yeah. Okay, let me cater for this like this. So as you can see as well, right over here, you can see that the market has been pushing to the upper side. Let us move to the 1-hour time frame. So as you can see, the market has been pushing to the upper side. So we had our first touch here, second touch, third touch. We don't have our first touch right over here, so we missed it. So it's either the market is going to push to this area here, or is going to push to the upper side. So remember guys, when it breaks to the upper side, you can buy. When it does not break to the upper side, you can sell. So but wait for the reversal candlesticks on the market. So yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.